been about a week, and they've practically doubled in size. Put in one of my old feeders. They could probably crawl in there, but they seem to like it. I just put it in there. Plus it holds 10 pounds of food. Basically 2 buckets with a funnel inside. Comes out those holes into that bucket. Getting bigger. These are crazy growers. I got 3 babies outside that are probably 3 weeks old and half their size. These are only 12 days old. 11. I don't know. Crazy. This is a box inside of a box, and when they get bigger, I'm just going to spread it open until I can put them outside. They act like they'd never eaten before or drinking.